Want to transform your Wix website from static to interactive by showcasing detailed content in stunning pop-up windows? First, ensure you have a Wix database collection set up with all the necessary fields, such as title, description, and image URL, that you want to display in your Lightbox. Next, from the Wix editor, click the plus icon to open the Add Elements panel, navigate to the interactive section, and choose a Lightbox design that fits your website's aesthetic. Place the Lightbox on your desired page, then connect it to a dataset that's linked to the database collection containing the information you want to display. Inside the Lightbox, add text and image elements, then use the Connect to Data option to bind each element to the corresponding fields in your dataset, mapping titles to titles, descriptions to descriptions, and so on. Now, on your main page, create a button or another element that users will click to open the Lightbox and link this button to the connected Lightbox to bring everything together. Finally, preview your website to ensure that clicking the button smoothly opens the Lightbox, displaying the correct data from your database, giving your visitors a dynamic and engaging experience.